Good morning, Texans. Today is Wednesday, May 6, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. This time we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Quick reminder that tonight is our PTSA general meeting. It will be at 7:30 this evening, and if you have any questions about that, please send an email to northwesthsptsa@gmail.com. Graduation is still on May 26th at Texas Motor Speedway. I got to go out and meet with the other high school principals and the staff at Texas Motor Speedway. Talked about a lot of specifications and guidelines that we'll need to follow. We will get information from Texas Motor Speedway, and we will share that out with you as soon as we get it. Also, some specifics in terms of arrival times and just a lot of details that we'll share with you in the coming days. So be on the lookout for that, seniors and families. Seniors, please remember to get your scholarship offers to your counselor or to Miss Charlene Jackson in the counseling office. We're trying to get all of those loaded up into the Legacy Awards and also into our graduation program. Graduation honor cords still on sale online, and those will be picked up on, or let's see, I don't know about the pickup, but the deadline for ordering is May 19th. We'll talk to you more about pickup. We're coordinating that as we speak. Night of Excellence is May 21st. That's our underclassmen awards ceremony. And then Legacy Awards, our senior awards ceremony, will be online May 22nd. And again, be on the lookout for pickup and return of items. Those processes will be sent out to you either by our coaches, Coach Chandler and Coach Poe, or by Mr. McCowan. He'll do all of the other items. Sometimes your directors also may be in charge of that. If you're in fine arts, maybe one of your directors will send you some information about that. Be on the lookout for that information and just make sure that you follow the procedures and stay in your car, and we'll be in good shape there. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, have a great day. I love you, I miss you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.